going on, guys? If you're watching this video, you're probably looking to get ahead financially in life and also working a 9-to-5 job. So most likely you're trying to get out of the rat race. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to stop trading your time for money. The purpose of this video is to educate you and make you aware of all the passive ways you can make money online. But first, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and if you guys are new here, I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload new videos. And if you guys are unaware what this channel is about, I provide you guys content to make you aware on how to make money online. And I also provide you guys with valuable information that you can use to improve your quality of life, whether it's professional or personal. So with that out of the way, I'm going to just jump right into it. So if you guys are looking to make some extra income online, I've talked about these methods in the past videos I've done. But if you guys are new here, I'm going to just quickly go over these again. So what does it mean to make passive income? So what passive income is initially you put in the work and set up a system that's automated in order for you to make money online. And it just requires occasional maintenance in order to keep the system going. So one way to make passive income online is through Shutterstock. This is for those of you who are photographers. If you like taking pictures, why not make money selling your pictures? The way Shutterstock works is you sign up and you're able to sell your pictures. Shutterstock pays you a percentage for every time they sell one of your pictures. It's that simple. So if photography is your thing, that's a great way to make passive income. The next way to make money online through a passive income is creating a blog. If you like to write articles, this is probably perfect for you. All you have to do is find a topic that you're passionate about and just continuously write content based on that niche. Now, I'm going to just let you guys know that starting a blog, it takes a while to build up some momentum because it takes a while for your blogs to rank in SEO. So this is something that you need to do for the long term. You just simply write content based on the niche that you're passionate about and promote affiliate links in that area. Another great way to make passive income online is by creating an online course. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area, you can create a course on that area and charge people for enrolling in your course. A great website to do so is Teachable. So any area of expertise that you have, why not create a course? Just simply record videos and charge people to enroll in your course. You can set the price for your course. So say for example, if you have a course for $200, teaching people how to learn DSLR photography, if you get 10 people to sign up, you have $2,000. Now the next method to make a passive income online is my personal favorite, and this is through affiliate marketing. The reason why this is my favorite method is because you don't even need any actual products of your own to make money with this method. All affiliate marketing is you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link, and whenever somebody makes a purchase through your specific link, you make a commission. And there's many ways that you can promote your affiliate link. You can do product reviews of the product that you're promoting. You can create a blog, which I mentioned earlier, or you can just simply run paid advertisements if you have that in your budget. Now another great way to make a passive income online is through Amazon FBA, or which is better known as Fulfilled by Amazon. So what this is where you buy a product from an online wholesaler. The most popular website people buy this from is from Alibaba or AliExpress. And they have that particular product shipped to an Amazon warehouse. And Amazon packs, fulfills, and ships out your order for you. All you have to focus on is getting traffic to your product on Amazon. You don't even have to see the product. You don't have to worry about storing it or any of that. It's all stored at the Amazon warehouse. So let me just quickly recap of the 5 ways that you can make a passive income and stop trading your time for money. So you can sell photos online through Shutterstock. You can make money by creating a blog and promoting affiliate links there, or even selling your own merchandise. You can create online courses and sell those. You can do affiliate marketing, which is my favorite. Or you could do Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. So this is the best way that I know how to stop trading your time for money. Because at the end of the day, money can be made over and over again, but time you can never get back. So if you're really trying to get ahead in life, you have to think outside the box and work smarter rather than harder. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys got value out of it. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about these methods. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And you guys can go check that out. So that pretty much wraps up this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.